Today, we're tackling a common issue that many iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch users face: assistive touch not working properly. If you're having problem with this accessibility feature, don't worry, we've got you covered. So let's jump right in. First, let's quickly go over what assistive touch is. It's a handy feature that helps users who have difficulty using hardware buttons. It provides a virtual button on your screen for all kinds of functions, from adjusting volume to accessing your home screen. So, what are the common issues? You might find that assistive touch isn't responding. The menu won't appear or it's lagging. Let's explore how to fix those problems. First, let's try a simple restart. This can resolve many temporary glitches. Just hold the power button until you see slide to power off. After a few seconds, turn it back on. Next, go to Settings. Tap on Accessibility. Then tap on Touch. Select Assistive Touch. Toggle it off. Wait a moment and toggle it back on. This can refresh the feature. If that doesn't work, you can reset your settings. Don't worry, this won't delete your data. Go to Settings and General. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset. Choose Reset All Settings. Just keep in mind you'll need to re-enter Wi-Fi passwords. Another thing to check is if your device is running the latest software. Go to Settings, again on General, tap on Software Update. If there's an update available, download and install it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.